Hello everyone, Jobgether is hiring for a software developer full stack and it's a remote opportunity in Canada. Okay, so they have given a description of the particular job. Jobgether has a remote jobs globally. So basically, they will hire globally. You can apply from anywhere, not only Canada. We match your roles to mostly likely to succeed, and they will provide a feedback for the every applications you are applying. No more guessworks and application backlogs are there in the particular job as such. And for one of the clients, we are looking for a software developer. Okay, actually they didn't mention about the company. For the particular company, they are looking for a software developer full stack and remotely from Canada. Okay, so as a full stack developer, you will be responsible for creating visually compelling 3D experience and innovative solutions to the industry, and you will be work closely with the cross-functional team, and you should be very collaborative, and you will be leverage cutting edge computer vision technology to ensure exceptional user experience. And this will be the fantastic opportunity in a growing company where you have a chance to work on exciting projects and contribute to the development and continuous learning your technical skill set. Okay, they have mentioned about the accountabilities. So you will be develop scalable and maintainable high performance applications, and you will be collaborate with product and design and other teams to deliver a high effective solutions. And you will own key systems and components driving the development deployment to the improvement. And you will be support and communicate effectively with the internal and external stakeholders to a successful project delivery. And you should be contribute to the development of new features and products, improving user experience and technical performance. Requirements for this particular job is they need at least 1 year of experience in software development, and you should have computer science fundamentals with a degree or relevant work experience. You should be comfort both front end and back end development, and you should focus on project execution, attention to detail, and delivery. And if you have a communication skill with written and verbal, that will be an added advantage. And comfortable interacting with senior management and the stakeholders, and ability to work in a fast-paced environment. And you should have familiarity with the particular skill sets like TypeScript, Next.js, React, Redux, Three.js, Python, Django, PostgreSQL, AWS. And benefits of working here: you can work remotely, and it's a flexible hours and work from home stipend will be given, and enjoy up to 3 months of remote work from anywhere in the world. And generous time off and day off on your birthday also will be given, and parental leave program is available. And dynamic tight knit team with the focus work life balance and ownership. And you have the opportunity to work on innovative and impactful project with the team. Okay, so if you are interested, apply for this, click this apply for the stuff link in description, kindly check it. And if you want useful job updates from everywhere in the country, and especially remote jobs, make sure you subscribe Spidey Educates. Thank you. Bye.